Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will write a C++ program to calculate and return the sum of the numbers in an array. The array will be of floating point numbers. First, I will include IO stream. Include IO stream. Then we are going to using namespace std, and then we will have our function declaration that we are going to use for some of our array. So this will be return a floating value. Our sum will be a floating value because we are going to work on array of floats. So here it's gonna be float, and we will name our function sum. It will take a constant float the array of floating point numbers to be summed. So we are going to name it a constant float type our array, and then we will have n variable, the number of objects in the array. This will be int n, and now I will define our main function, int main. Return 0. I'm just gonna add that one first. And now I will implement our sum function. I'm just gonna copy this line. We will have a summing variable which will be initialized to 0, and then each floating point value in the array will be added in turn. So this will be our sum variable of float type. And it will be initialized to 0.0 of floating. And now I will have a int variable for our for loop. Int I, and our for loop for I is set to 0, I less than the number of elements in our array. Then we are going to increment I, and here we are going to sum the value in our array, and this will be the array and the index location of each element. So we are adding each element value to over here sum result, and after this we are just going to return the sum result. return some result. We are going to call this function from our main. We need an array of floating point. My array of 5 elements, or I will have another variable which will keep track of array element, and I will name it size. This will be set to 5, and here we are going to pass in the size of our array, and we are going to initialize it to 5 values: 1.5, 2.5, 30.6, 25, and how many we have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and just one more, 90.9. Just gonna save it and run our program. Before we run our program, we need to call our sum function and pass in our array, and also pass in the size of our array. And we can print the result. I will save in result variable. And with cout, we are going to print sum is and we are going to print the result, and this will, and then end of line of result. Just save and run the program. And here is the sum of our array. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.